everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about Chromebook accessibility features. First, here's how you turn them on. In the bottom right-hand corner, you click that, you have an accessibility choice. Once you click that, you have a bunch of different choices. Notice I have this highlight mouse cursor. If you are presenting from a Chromebook as a teacher, you definitely want to turn that one on so that kids can see it. They also have the choice to do large mouse cursor. That can be helpful too in terms of screencast or if you're sharing your screen. But today I wanted to focus particularly on ones for students, and that is select to speak and dictation. So select to speak I already have on. That's why you see the check. And I'm going to turn dictation on as well. When you do that, you'll have icons appear in your tray at the bottom. So the microphone goes with dictation. The speaker icon goes to select to speech. So let me show you how those work. I'm here in student view within Canvas with a quiz. Now, you may have seen Immersive Reader in Canvas, which is a fantastic tool, but it doesn't work on everything within Canvas, such as quizzes. However, with the Select to Speak accessibility feature enabled, students can come in, select some text, and then hit the search key and the letter S.
These are the directions for this quiz.
Again, that's highlight some text, search key, letter S.
My favorite color is...
I'm inside the student view of Canvas. I can click the little speaker icon. It's going to give me a little icon that looks like a screenshot. And what you can do is draw a box around what you want to read. This is the select part. Let
teal,
go.
Blue, orange, other, purple, pink, yellow.
And it will read it all to you. So that's another way you can do it besides the search S. The reason why I like teaching kids native tools on their device for accessibility is that they can use them on various websites, documents, and the like. So here's a PDF that I pulled up. Again, students can choose the select to speech, draw a box around what they want to read, let
go. The doctor
go.
who saved London. In the city of London about 150 years ago, many people started to get very sick. The sickness they had was called cholera. The disease caused panic among Londoners because nobody knew how to prevent it or how to cure it.
And if you don't like that voice, students have the ability to go into settings and they can choose a different voice. They can also adjust the speed at which it is reading aloud. So finally, I want to show you the dictation tool. The dictation tool is going to provide speech to text anywhere online that requires text input. Here I have a Google form quiz that asks, what is your favorite color? Students can put their cursor where they would like to type. However, they're going to type with their voice. They're going to click the dictation tool in the tray. My favorite color is the color purple, period. And you notice you can use punctuation and you can use those voice commands for new line, capital letters, and other text formatting voice commands that are available in Google Docs. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos about EdTech and accessibility. Until next time, bye everyone.